Alright, so in this video today I'm going to show you how to install your Ring stick-up camera on the ceiling. And, I mean outside, obviously. So, stick around. It's a fun video. It's pretty easy. I think anybody could do it. So this is what we got today. It's the Ring stick-up camera. I have no idea what generation. And the ceiling and wall mount from Ring. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's see what's in the bag. Shakes McGee can't get the damn bag open. Well, here we go. Pretty nice looking stuff here. Solid kit. Comes with everything you need to mount it. Yeah, don't need tools, but you probably will, depending on what you're installing your mount on, because it's a screwdriver. I mean, who just wants to use a screwdriver anymore? You're going to want to use your drill. So first bag here, you got your handle. Basically, Ring has made a 2-in-1, a drill bit for your anchors. So you got 2 bits on that bad boy. One special bit and then a Phillips bit. If you didn't have any tools, you got some tools now. But I don't know why they give you a drill bit. What are you going to do? Turn it with your fingers? I guess they assume you're going to have a drill, which I think most people do. You got your screws for mounting. The security screws so nobody can steal your battery, I guess. Nobody can unplug your thing, but I'm sure everybody has this Ring screwdriver now, so I don't really understand that one. And the mount. You put it on the wall, you can put it on the ceiling. The special bolt to connect the battery to the mount. Essential. And some directions. Check out those 2 directions. They really give you a lot there. Hence why you're watching this video, to figure it all out. So here we go. First you're going to have to take the base off of the camera, because then you can't install the mount if the base is there. Everybody remember Ace Base? I saw the sign. Okay, that was enough. So once you get that off, you're going to come over and grab the mount. I'm just giving you a little example here, so it's not the first time you do it. Once you get up on the ladder, you're going to take that special bolt, take the screwdriver with the special bit. I think it's a T25 with the hole in the middle. And then you're going to tighten it. Pretty simple. A little SIMPLE, as the Florida Georgia line would say. RIP. So you'll have to put the mount up first, but I just wanted to give you an example of what you'll have to do when you're on your ladder, if you're mounting it to the ceiling. Basically the same thing if you were mounting it to a wall too. You would just put the mount on and then screw the camera to the mount. Alright, up the ladder. First screw going in. The soffit was super flexible, plus my shaky hands. Quite a chore. Screw is not exactly sharp, but we made it work. They say you want to have the bracket level, but it's on a ceiling, so it doesn't really matter. Second screw, still shaky, still not going in easy. It would have been nice to have my Ugga Chugga drill, but I only had this guy. The Ugga Chugga drill might have knocked it out easy. And screw number 3. Did we learn anything? Maybe? What do we think? Write in the comments. Would you try to do this by hand with the screwdriver? Does anybody do anything by hand anymore? So now we grab the camera. I realized, nope, that's not going to work. Go to the other side. Good old glory there. push it in there. There's an imprint for the nut. Then you're going to take your little magic screw there. Don't drop it. I thought I was for sure going to drop it. And just tighten it up with the screwdriver that it comes with. And there you go. Aim it how you want. Get on your phone, get on your app. Put the cover back on. Get your finger marks off it because you didn't wash your hands. Run down the ladder. Check out your work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more fun stuff. Have a little fun.